Anyways, here's for numbers 3 to 5. So 3, oh fuck. 3, we have a linear equation, and we have an ordered pair. So for this, we need to extract the slope from the linear equation. That's really easy. All we just do is, hold on, let me just write it down. So as you have noticed, this, it looks right. You may think that the slope is 3. However, this does not follow the format of y equals mx plus b. In fact, this actually follows whatever this is, y plus mx equals b, which is just completely wrong. So in order to fix it, we transpose 3x. I'm kind of in a rush. I don't know why. So we get y equals negative 3x plus 0. You can just cancel the 0. Nobody cares. It means the slope is negative 3. So m equals negative 3. Good stuff. Now let's proceed. Now that we've gotten the slope, we could do the first thing we did in number 2. So we get the... I'm just going to rewrite the ordered pair. Now we use the formula, the point slope form of a line. Y minus, what is y sub 1? That is negative 8. Equals m, which is negative 3. Times, I have no space, x minus x sub 1, which is 5. That should... Okay, now we just solve both sides. This will be y plus 8. Oh, my bad. Why do I keep on y? Okay, whatever. Y plus 8, because negative times negative 8 is positive 8. And then we have this side, we just distribute. So negative 3x times, negative 3 times x is negative 3x. And negative 3 times negative 5 is positive 15. Now we transpose 8 to the other side, giving us negative 3x plus 15 minus 8. Now we combine the like terms. Y equals negative 3x. 15 minus 8 is 7. I don't know why it took so long there. There's the answer for number 3. So for number 3, no. In the board, it said that we're supposed to look for the parallel equivalent of these two. The only time we look for the negative reciprocal is when we're looking for the perpendicular form or whatever of these two. And since we're speaking of parallel, you don't have to look for the negative reciprocal. Alright, so for number 4, we have 4 and 5. And then we have 7 and 3. I'm horrible at writing numbers. Give me a second. Alright, so for here, we're going to use... There's actually a simpler method, but I'm just going to use what ma'am taught us, because I'm not sure if she's going to allow it. She probably would. But let's just, start with the first method first. So we're going to use this. We're going to do it this way. This one's a bit harder, but who cares? We're doing it. So this is the point slope form of a line, except that m is substituted as its own formula. So x minus x sub 1, of course. Now we just substitute everything. We get y minus y sub 1. What is y sub 1? That is 3. I'm f5. My bad. Hold on. My brain wasn't. Yeah. And then we just substitute y minus... Oh. And then we just substitute y sub 2 is 3, and then minus 5. And x sub 2 is 7. And then x sub 1 is 4. And we just substitute x sub 1 again. We get 4. Woohoo. Very nice. Alright, now we just solve all of this. So 3 minus 5 is negative 2. And then over 7 minus 4 is a 3. And then we get x minus 4. Now, all we do here is distribute. Wow. Okay, wow. So fun. Negative 2 over 3 times x is negative 2 over 3x. And then negative 2 over 3 minus 4. I know, times negative 4. Hold on, give me a second to process this. What is negative 4 times 2? That is 8 over 3. Yes, that is 8. That is 8 over 3, right? Right? Yeah, right? Right? Hold on. Right? Negative 4 times 2 is 8. And then 8 divided by 3. You can't do that. So yeah, plus 8 over 3. This is not the answer yet because we got to we got to transpose -5. We get y equals -2 over 3x plus 8 over 3 plus 5, and that gives us, hold on, oh no, why is my writing getting worse? What is the least common wait, okay. So let's add 8 over 3 and 5. So what we could do here is get the least common multiple of 3 and 1. That will be 3. So we multiply the numerator and the denominator by 3. We get 15 over 3. And then we get 23 over 3. Which means the answer is 23 over 3. That's the answer. Oh, I forgot the x, my bad. So, let me just put that in here. Y equals -2 over 3. Oh, why did I put 8? 3 plus 23 over 3. Alright, so this is, okay, since we're given a y-intercept, because x is equal to 0, so 3 is a y-intercept. I know, this is a y-intercept, and this is an x-intercept because y is 0. We can use the method. We can use the same method as number 4, but what's the point? There's a shorter way, which ma'am taught us, which is x over a plus y over b equals 1. Very special. So what is x? Let's just substitute everything. What is x over a is supposed to be the x-intercept, by the way. The x-intercept is 9. Okay, wait. I'll just write this down so there's no confusion. Is the x-intercept, and b is the y-intercept. Alright. So let's substitute everything. The x-intercept is 9, and the y-intercept is 3 equals 1. Next, hold on. Yes. You multiply both sides. Okay, I'll just erase this. It's getting in my way. Multiply both sides by the least common multiple of the denominators. Least common multiple of 9 and 3 is 9. I'm sure y'all already know how to find the least common multiple. Otherwise, just search it up on YouTube. I don't want to use any more time. So if you multiply both sides by 9, you get 9 times x over 9 will become x only. And then 9 times y over 3 will become 3y. How is it 3y? How is it 3y, you ask? Because 9 times, hold on, 9 will also be 9 over 1 times y over 3. You get, get in my, okay, 9 times y is 9y over 3, because 1 times 3 is 3. 9y divided by 3 is 3y. There's your answer. What now? Oh yeah, we're looking for, we're supposed to change it, right? Okay. Or now we transpose x, right? We transpose x, we get 3y equals -x plus 9. It's -x because it changes signs when you transpose, of course. Divide both sides by 3 because we want to get rid of this 3 over here. We get y equals -1 over 3x because -x over 3 is -1 over 1/3 of x. And then plus, what is 9 divided by 3? That's 3. There's your answer. Woohoo! This is just annoying now. Y equals -1 over 3x plus 3. There's all the answers to the activity. Yeah.